I'm starting a series called Falling in Love with My Hair All Over Again because this style today did that for me. I have neglected my hair for so long. I had neglected my hair for so long, and I wasn't taking care of it. I wasn't styling it. I wasn't cherishing it. I wasn't treating it how it should be treated. But I did this style and I fell in love all over again. Enough with the yapping. So I'm going to be doing 4 braids at the front of my hair, 4 cornrows, 2 on each side. So I start off by parting out the front section. I do it side by side. So I do a part down the middle and I part the first side, and then I move on to, is it left or right, the other side. So I part out the section, and once I've parted it to perfection, I then split that section in 2. Then I'm going to clean up the parts as best as possible, as best as I can, and I'm going to cornrow both parts. So I started off with some simple cornrows, just simple cornrows, and for the second one I was going to do a zigzag style, but that was proven to be too much on my fingers, so I just did the first part of the zigzag and just did regular cornrows for the rest of the braids. If you ask me, it's already looking cute, and it can be worn just like this. Just comb out, detangle the back of my hair, and it can be worn just like this. But no, we're gonna style it. This is the lazy way out. If you want to stop here, just do an afro, it's up to you. But we're gonna do some Bantu knots, shiny bums, Bantu knots. It's so weird saying that. And for this, I was lazy. I started the back so big, and in the end you'll see where it'll frizz up more than the rest of the hair. But the back I did big and the front I did small. I wish I had done it all the same size, but next time I'll do that. So just doing some Bantu knots on my hair, detangle it, apply the product, and I didn't show it, but I'm gonna try and insert a picture. I used the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. That's everything that's on the bottle. And that's all I applied to my hair. I had already done the LCO method when I washed after washing my hair, so my hair was fairly moisturized, and I just used the curling cream to help me to define the curls. Normally I would go in with gel as well, but I didn't want to do all of that, so I just combed the hair, applied the curling cream to it, and I applied to dry hair, not wet hair. In my case, I do what works for me, so you do what works for you, because water and my hair are not the best of friends when it comes on to styling my hair, and plus I wanted it to dry quickly. So do what works best for you. I also do twists before I do the Bantu knot, because I find that doing the twist works best on my hair versus just going in with product and just knotting up my hair without any manipulation to it. Now, if you see me looking left and right, apologies in advance. I'm looking at both the mirror as well as watching the TV at the same time, because when you're doing your hair, you have to keep yourself occupied, and being that it's not braids or anything where I have to focus on parting, then I was watching a movie. And let me give you a piece of confession. These things were so hard and created a lot of tension on my head. It was so hard to sleep in, so I loosened them. Probably think that's why the curls weren't as tight. But this is the next 2 days, and I'm taking them down and using Avida hair oil, something light to separate, and because my hair is already oiled up. After unraveling the knots, then I go to take down the twist, starting at the end. And if you hold one leg and just pull it, then the other should just spin right round it. But this is loosening because that's how I did my bantu. I did it with a twist. So I'm loosening it out, and then I'm going to separate and pick my roots. can you tell that I loved this hairstyle so much? Like, it was such a cute style. It was so cute and well, was it low effort? The cornrows almost took me out, but it was such a cute style. I like, it's so gorgeous, and my hair came out. The curls were popping in the front, the back not so much. If you liked this video, as well as if you liked how this hairstyle came out, leave a like below or comment and let me know if you'll be trying it, and also stick around for my other videos.